Happy Valentine's Day. Or my excuse to wear pink makeup all the time lol. Start out by priming your eyes. This is the Shiat London The Velvet Palette. Going into the crease with a peachy pink, bringing it pretty high and keeping it off the lid. Deepening up the outer corner with a warm brown. Putting a baby pink sparkly shade all over the lid and over the outer corner to blend, highlighting the brow bone. On to the next eye. Is this a complicated look? No. But is it pretty? Yep. One thing I will say about Shiat London palettes, they are all so silky and blend like a dream. The glitter flecks in the shadow don't stick very well, but it's so pretty. Priming with a sticky base to keep my makeup on all day. Concealing my dark circles and some scarring. I was going to be gone for a few hours, so I wanted to make sure I did thin layers of my base makeup so it wouldn't be cakey or heavy looking. A thin layer of e.l.f. Halo Glow and foundation to finish the base. Setting under my eyes and T-zone with a ton of powder, I tend to get oily and crease. Then I lightly dust the rest of my face and dust off the extra powder. Framing the bottom lash line with the crease shade and lid shade, I went with the warmer shade since I wanted the look to be brighter. Warming up the perimeter with bronzer. If you're wondering, no, I don't really get a tan. I also don't like the sun lol. Applying lots of thin layers of blush. Don't worry about my blush addiction. Highlight the high points. I heard blinding highlights are out. No thanks. I'll keep my highlight. Melt the powders. I should probably get a real setting spray. Fill in the brows. I need to tint mine again. I like just putting in a brow wax and leaving it at that. Set your brows with a wax or a gel. It keeps them from going all wonky throughout the day. Tight line and line with black. I want the focus of the look to be the eyes, so I use a black. Curling my lashes. It's mainly the left eye I'm worried about because I smashed them by sleeping on my face. Finishing the eyes with mascara. This is literally the best one. Lining my lips with the Liebeskind lip liner in Mocha. Do y'all want me to say what the products are as well as showing them? Topping the lip liner with my favorite e.l.f. lip lacquer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.